And the Carolina Hurricanes end this series in 5.
Jesper Fast with his second career playoff overtime goal. His 5th of the playoffs. And the Hurricanes will advance to the conference finals for the 5th time in franchise history. 2019 was their last trip there. They were swept by the Bruins. Now they'll get a little extra rest. Extra words with Brind'Amour and Hamilton, the former Carolina Hurricane defenseman.
Well, the swap out, you know, Dougie Hamilton ends up in New Jersey, and Brent Burns ends up getting a big right-hand defenseman shot. They get into Carolina, and they haven't missed a beat. And there's the two guys that battled hard in the first period. Burns dropping Meyer in the corner. Ex-teammates for the San Jose Sharks. A lot of successful seasons for those two guys there. And the New Jersey Devils that had a real kind of a Cinderella season, more so than anyone ever expected. I think everyone thought this was going to be a better New Jersey team, but no one expected the kind of point difference they were going to have from last year to this year. Then they go into the playoffs and they play a more tested New York Ranger team, and they end up taking them down in 7 and then moving on to play the Carolina Hurricanes, another well-oiled, tested playoff machine, coached very well by Rod Brind'Amour, and they had their hands full with this heavy-playing Carolina team. But I think they saved their best game of the series, I think, for this one here in Game 5. Their coach asked for more from them, and they brought it. Unfortunately, they couldn't hang on at the end and find an overtime goal. And go figure, a power play goal ended this series.
Just 1 point separated these two teams in the regular season. All 4 games prior to tonight decided by 4 goals or more. This one took overtime. Brind'Amour's pumped. Fans are pumped. Time for a storm surge.
And the storm surge is all over Jesper Fast, and I'll think he'll take it. He will take it. What a moment. Overtime goals are special, but one to end the series and send your team to the conference finals, that's one you won't forget. And I think at the end of the day, certainly, I think the more qualified team, the better team, won this series. And they will be an extremely hard out in the next round.